In this set, there are both addition and subtraction problems. When you meet an addition problem, you can move straight to the addition rules. If you meet a subtraction problem, you're going to have to first change the subtraction to addition, and then you can apply the addition rules. Take a look at example A. Take a look in between the two numbers. I do not see an addition sign. So since this is subtraction, I'm going to need to change it to addition. So I add the opposite to change this to an addition problem. And then I'm going to rewrite the problem, 317 plus a positive 42. Now that I have an addition sign in between, I'm allowed to apply the addition rules. So in this example, these are both positive numbers, so signs are the same, we add. Oh, I forgot to type, signs are the same. All right, signs are the same, we add. So we take 317 and we add the 42. 7 and 2 makes 9, 4 and 1 makes 5, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So our answer is 359. Let's look at example B. In example B, I already see an addition sign in between. So I don't need to change it to addition. I don't need to rewrite it. I can move straight over here to where I apply the addition rules. In this example, 4 and 9 are both positive. So the signs are the same, so we're going to add. And 4 and 9 makes 13. Example C. When I look in between, I do not see an addition sign. So I need to change subtraction to addition. So I'm going to add the opposite to change this to addition. And then I will rewrite the problem. This is 18 plus a negative 56. And now that there's an addition sign in between, we are allowed to apply the addition rules. The signs are different. This is a negative 56 and a positive 18. Those are different signs, a positive and a negative. So when the signs are different, we subtract. I'm going to record the absolute value of 18, which is 18, and the absolute value of negative 56, which is 56. And now that they're both positive, I can compare the numbers. 56 is the larger number. So we put that at the top, and then we subtract from it the smaller number in terms of absolute value, the 18. 6 minus 8, I need to borrow. So I make the 5 a 4 and add 10 to the 6, making it 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then I need to decide, did I have more positives or more negatives? We said that 56 was larger in terms of absolute value, so I have more of the negatives than the positives. So the answer is a negative 38. And now for our final example, negative 200 plus 50. We already have an addition sign in between. Since we already have an addition sign in between, all we need to do is move directly over to the addition rules. The signs here are different. This is a negative 200. This is a positive 50. So the signs are different. We will subtract. Now to determine what goes on top, I'm going to write the absolute value of each. Remember, absolute value is distance from 0, and distance from 0 we record as a positive number. So this makes both of these positive. And when I look at both of these positive numbers, I can see that 200 is larger than 50. So I take 200 and I subtract the 50, and I know that that is equal to 150. And then I look back and I determine that I had more negatives than positives, so the answer is going to be a negative 150. So if you see originally there's already an addition sign, you move straight to adding using those rules. So those are our two addition examples. But if you meet subtraction, you only have subtraction in the middle. You have to change the subtraction to addition and then apply the addition rules. You change the subtraction to addition and then apply the addition rules.